Hello, in this video I want to show you how to assign actions to Razer Stream Controller X. And to do this, first you'll need to download a loop deck from their official website. You can also check our previous video on how to do it. Then when it's ready and installed, we should see something like this. You probably have all of the icons filled up. You can remove the page or create new one. Then there should be some free space, and we can click on the three dots on the next to the plus button and then create custom action. You can go for keyboard shortcuts, multi-action macros, multi-toggle, run specific command, then open application, web page, play a sound, or insert some text. For example, we can add the text right here, save it, and now if I press on this button on my Stream controller, I will instantly send that action and probably paste that text. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.